In this Python data analysis tutorial, you'll learn essential functions: adding columns, sorting DataFrames, setting indices, and using info, size, and shape attributes.
It covers data access with lock and ilock methods, enhancing your ability to manipulate and understand data in Python efficiently. Hello and welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on data analysis with Python.
We'll explore various functions and methods essential for analyzing and understanding data using Python. Let's start with a dataset that includes products, their prices, and quantities. We've added a total value column, showing the total value for each product. Sorting by price helps us quickly identify cheaper and more expensive products. Using product as an index makes it easier to locate specific product information. The info method provides a summary of our data frame, including data types and memory usage. The size attribute tells us the total number of elements in our data frame. The shape attribute shows us the number of rows and columns. We can easily find the price of apples using the lock method. ilock allows us to access data by its position. Here's the data for the third product. This tutorial covered several fundamental data analysis functions and methods in Python. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.